My name is Rodney Lane. We're at Hastie LLC, which is located near Cave Rock, Illinois, which is in the southern tip of Illinois, right on the Ohio River. Hastie Quarry's been here since 1965. My grandpa and my two uncles started that back in 1965. It's grown from just a very small operation to what it is today. The MaxCap 1650 has went above and beyond what we thought probably it would do, especially in the wear parts. We have had zero troubles as far as the way it operates, the product that's coming out the other end. I mean, everything has been exactly what we expected, and so far we're extremely happy with it over the months that we've had in operation.
The operation of the McLanahan MaxCap 1650 has been very easy. The maintenance on it has been very easy to do. The other impactors we've had, we were sometimes changing blow bars bi-weekly, sometimes weekly. We've run this thing for 5 months now and have not had to flip the blow bars on it, which has drastically lowered our repair costs as well as keeping the machines running. What I like best about the MaxCap 1650 is the reliability that it has given us so far. Also, what I really like about the MaxCap 1650 is the safety features that are on it. In this industry, things are very dangerous, and there is a lot of safety features such as the rotor lock on it as well as the hydraulic lockouts on it. It gives us peace of mind that the guys, cannot be crushed or hurt from the lid being shut or the rotor spinning. Our experience with McLanahan has been great. The service and the expertise that everyone at McLanahan has been wonderful.
They were here during startup. They came down, they went through everything that we needed to know and have been very supportive from that day since. The reliability of McLanahan 1650 has been excellent so far, and reliability, is dollars in everybody's pocket here. The main goal for this project was to get man hours down, cost per ton down, and so far the MaxCap 1650 has did just that.